Hello everyone, it's Lori, June 23rd, 2015, 10:09 p.m. Central Time. This is just a quick update as to some CERN-related news and information that has transpired since about the weekend. I was keeping you posted over the weekend, letting you know what was going on so that I could decide whether or not I could be doing any more of the recordings. This is notes that I found on CERN website for some of their morning meetings. I don't understand, like I said, I'm not a scientist, but they were having apparently some major problem with a generator which broke down, and apparently they needed to replace it. So that was Saturday. Sunday they had another problem with their cryogenics, which I believe has to do with the temperature controlling, which is a major part of the LHC. And it looks like they had a breakdown in the refrigeration component, and that caused further delays. This is one of the panels from that day. You can see the area in red is the area that they were referring to that had a problem. The below graph is showing you the temperatures for different areas of their testing areas. And they should, I believe, all be parallel with each other. Monday, they were having further problems, it looks like, with their refrigeration problems. And you can see here it says the insulation vacuum is deteriorated and the available power is also degraded. So they were having quite a few different problems in a few sectors. They are showing here in another morning meeting from the 23rd that they were having other problems in different areas. B1 and B2 in red, I believe, is the pilot injection for the beams. They must have been having some problems with that as well. And here's additional highlights of problems related to the beams. So this is as of obviously yesterday. The 23rd morning meeting is regarding what was going on yesterday and the day before. And then they were having some, I think, orbit problems. They have to circulate the beams or something. I'm still learning as I go, but they're obviously highlighting in this graph that there was some abnormalities with that. So that's what's been going on over the weekend and why they've had delays. They've had broken parts in different areas, deterioration in vacuum pumps, I guess. So they've been working on all these problems, and they've been up today, and I still am not able to get onto their website with my regular browser, which I tried a second browser, and that still wasn't allowing to have the sliders available to move. So I went to a third browser today, and I was finally able to do a couple of recordings. Here's a photo from one of my recordings. I don't know if you can see in this photo the face that I see. That's on my website, but here it is highlighted, circled, for June 23rd at 1700 hours 54:32 seconds. It's at 55 seconds into that video. I've got it highlighted here. So I don't know if you can make out, here's the eye, the nose, the mouth. So I thought that was kind of interesting. And here's another photo I took in another one of the recordings tonight. I don't know if you can make out the hand that I see in the center of the beam. I've got that highlighted also. Whoops, sorry. Got that highlighted here. And that one was at the recording of 1750 hours. and that was 1 minute and 24 seconds into the recording. It looks to me like there's a hand and an arm. That's also posted on my website. This last one here that I've posted for this video is, I circled it here. I don't know if you can make out that face. That one was on the 23rd on the video recording of 17:54:32, and that was 9 seconds into the recording. And here's just a visual of the CERN location. I found this map. It provides the miles and distance between the different areas here. These are all part of their experiment. This accelerates it, and then when it's done here, it shoots out into here. This here is 1.4 miles across, and this here is 5.3 miles across. And there's Lake Geneva, Switzerland here, and France over there. So I just thought that would be interesting. Just so you know, I've got in my collections 2 areas you can go look at. I've got some of my literatures in one collection, and I've got some of the beam photos that I thought were maybe more clear, or the larger ones in that collection. So you can always go look there instead of running up and down looking for posts. Anyway, that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching, and give me any suggestions or ideas or comments down below. Thank you.